In front of me is Poco C65, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download completely free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!